So when you go ahead, you take the time to put a property under contract. One of the reasons you get that contract as a wholesaler signed by the seller, you take that contract, you go ahead, you pass it along to a title company or a closing agent. They're going to go ahead and run title on the property, meaning they're going to go ahead and check, pretty much like do a background check on real estate. They're going to check what's owed against the property, the liens, who owns the property, etc., etc. This is important in order to go ahead and close out the deal. If you are dealing with an owner that say they own the property, but someone else is on the property as well, you are going to need an additional signature to go ahead and sell that property. And lots of times, title will go ahead and assist you with that, or your closing attorney will go ahead and assist you with that. And so, guys, I did a video a while back, and it says how to get a title search for $20. I have a guy that I've used before on Fiverr. Hey, Laura, how are you? I've used before on a website called Fiverr. I'm going to link it in the description. This guy has over like 600 feedback. Okay, he's legit. Okay, um, so he can do title searches for as low as $5. Let me repeat that for many of you that need this type of service. For all of you that need this type of service, there's nowhere that you can go ahead and get a title search uh, for that price. Um, Lots of times that cost or that fee is passed on to the cash buyer, or whatever that is. But listen, I think what I did, my last search I got from him, I think I paid like $15 or something like that. But he can do title searches for as low as $5, like the title says. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm also going to put a link in the description of a video. And the video is entitled, "What is a title search?" Because many of you are going to ask that question. Look at that video. It's a little over a minute, maybe like a minute and a half long, something like that. Check that out. And it'll give you an idea of exactly what a title search is. And she talks a little bit about a lien search as well, but just to give you the an idea exactly of what a title search. As you all go ahead and come in, can you guys please click the like button? And so, like I said, this video is long overdue because I had a gentleman in my group just recently asked, "Hey, Gerald, good looking out for doing a, for finding a source where you can go ahead and get a title search done for as low as $20." Well, that video, I think that video is probably close to a year old, something like that. So I found another source where you can go ahead and get this done for as low as $5. That's not happening. That's that's beautiful, guys. Uh, I'm gonna have that link in the description. I'm gonna also have the link explaining title searches in the description. Uh, you all do me a favor. Go ahead and share this video because there's many of you. Uh, Rob said, "Great work." There's many of you that need these services. This is the thing, guys. This is, and I'm gonna let you guys. This is not a secret by now. The channel, there's a little over 27, 28,000 subscribers, and this is the thing I'm gonna tell you. Um, it's no secret by now. If you just spend time on the channel and you kind of get lost a little bit and look at the library of videos and put pieces of the puzzle together, um, I'm teaching you how to do real estate investing for free. Right? Um, yeah, I do have some paid for products. I do. But for the most part, like 98%, 99%, if you put the pieces of the puzzle together and you continue to get lost in the channel and do some research and ask yourself, okay, when you get stuck, ask yourself, what is wholesaling? What is, and just do YouTube searches. You can get wealthy off this channel. I'm just here to give, man. I'm just here to give. It's no secret by now that the whole delinquent property tax thing, I can't tell you within my area the number of people I think have requested. Nah. He said Tiny just said she spent 150 for a title search. I got you. I'll put the link in the description. $5 title searches, guys. Don't get no better than that. Um, so, like I said, it's no secret by now. I mean, you know, that's probably why my phone is exploding. I do apologize. I need to say it up front. I do apologize to many of you that have found the email address, the phone number. Hey, Drew, can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? I got it. So when we talk now, it's we got to do consultations. The phone is exploding. I mean, so Lenore, you're welcome. You're welcome. So you all get lost in this channel. Uh, it's like a video mentor. That's what I'm teaching. That's what I'm giving. And then at the same time, just come over to the house flipping family. This is the thing. All these things that they don't, all these things I'm teaching, this information I'm giving is no cost. You know what I mean? I'm just giving it. And then at the same time, we just hit 13,000 in the house flipping family Facebook group. Come and get your questions answered. This, yeah. I haven't done anything. Excuse me, I haven't done everything. You know, um, I will say this: there's a lot of people who will do a lot of creative things to find owners, whether that be bandit signs, cold calling, driving for dollars, whether that be um, uh, pay per click, whether that be whatever, whether that be um, there's like 40, 50 ways to find motivated sellers. I haven't done everything. I'm not perfect. John, what's going on, man? What's up to you? I'm not perfect. But I will tell you this. This is what leads to failure. This is the key. You ready? This is what leads to stagnation, struggling, whatever. This is the secret. Is when you stop being consistent. It's when you stop being consistent. John McLeod, greetings from ESPN. ESPN, that was different. Um, so it's when you stop being consistent. Uh, that's when you just start to fail. So be consistent in 2019 and beyond, guys. Anyways, if y'all found value, please click the like button, share with family and friends. Do me a favor. The first link is going to be the guy that's on Fiverr. I forget all trying to randomly find this person. I'm going to give you the link directly to him. If you all are looking for it, go ahead and check him out. Okay. That'll be the first thing. Second link will be some information about title searches. Also, um, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to link my store because over 3,000 of you, appreciate you. Over 3,000 of you have downloaded the free contracts that I have within my store. At least that's what my back office is saying. Actually, that's what the email list is saying. Which is, wow. So yeah, I'm going to have those links in the description. So it'll have, my store will have not just an option to go ahead and get the free contracts, but it'll have some investor tools as well if you all are interested.